Hey Cosmic Dreamer, it's Wednesday night. I will get 2 cards. We'll see what's coming in for your dreams for the night of September 11th, 2024. Tune in, drop into your dreaming body, connect to the intelligence of the universe. My name is Rick Astor. Fairies is the card from the Earth Magic Oracle cards. 6 of Wands from the Light Seers Tarot. So in a dream, you're going to go to a place where there are natural forces. Maybe there are birds, and they are going to recognize your presence, and you're going to notice that you're making an impression on this place. And it might not be birds, but you'll see that there's a reaction from the natural forces around you. This is a demonstration of your power and your importance. So let that moment remind you that it matters that you're there. Sweet dreams, Cosmic Dreamer.